Hey, everyone. It's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have a story, right? So I'm an 80s kid, and I remember for Christmas, my mom would open up the calendar for the year, and we were so excited because usually my dad went and purchased it. And then he would let us pick something out of a selection of 4 or 5 gifts that could be from us, right? We're like 7, 8, 9 years old, and we got to pick, it could be the calendar, it could be the slippers, it could be something in that price range. And I loved giving her the calendar because she would put it up on the side of the fridge and it would be up there for the whole year. And one of the calendars that she absolutely loved was from this amazing artist, Thomas Kinkade. Oh my gosh. And then I remember they opened the Thomas Kinkade store in the mall. And I would love walking by it, which it was actually right next to Glamour Shops. Raise your hand or comment down below if you know about Glamour Shots, right? So we would go in and I would just look at the artwork. It was so beautiful. And the fact that we got this calendar, I used to think, we have art in our own house. And oh my goodness. So then when Diamond Art Club signed on Thomas Kinkade, flabbergasted, I was dying to own a piece because it's a piece of my history, a piece of art, a piece of this artist who just knows how to display color in the heart. And so look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Right away, when you see this box, you see that it's blue, which means it's square. And it's called Hometown Morning. It's 86.9 centimeters by 65 centimeters. That's 34.2 inches by 25.6 inches. So almost a 3 foot by 2 foot. Beautiful image. The box is stunning. Stunning. So I'm going to turn this camera around. We're going to dive in because this is where my history, my childhood, my memories meet today. The beautiful art of Diamond Art Club diamond painting. So let's turn this around and roll that clip. Okay, and we are back. So this is the box that you saw, right? So you've got the sleeve. Ooh, that goes on, on and off. Then at the end, you've got right here a picture. So if you store it vertically or horizontally, you'll know exactly what's in the box, right? You also have your toolkit, which we'll get into, and your thank you for your purchase. We're going to take that right out. So immediately, I want to look at this right away. Why do I want to look at it right away? Because, okay, everyone, cat's out of the bag. I just did about 10 minutes of talking with you and realized my camera had crashed. So I do apologize. But we were just at opening up this thank you and we wanted to dive in, and I received the bronze. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely stunning. And then on the back, it tells you that it's bronze. Also inside this thank you, which I had already pulled out. Where did it go? Right here is the sticker sheet, was in here as well. This is your absolute stunning image. This is a sticker you can pull off, put on your setup kit, put in your journal, however you want. This also shows you that there's 81 symbols in here. Out of the 81, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 specials we're going to dive in. It looks like 6 of them are the dust and 1 is an AB. We're going to see where those specials are. Okay, so that came in our thank you. And then we had our toolkit. So we have our single placer already pre-filled with the putty, with the Diamond Art Club branding. And then you've got your 4-placer. This side does come off if you want to change out your placers. And then we have our stackable tray right here with your putty or your wax and your 7-placer. Also has a stopper. And then you have your 15 baggies and some more putty. All right, then we're talking about this canvas. Absolutely stunning and beautiful. It is the soft lint pattern backing. It has the surged edges so that if your canvas does decide to be naughty, it's going to stop right there where these holes are. Also, sneak peek, you're going to have your key on the upper left and lower right. With this painting with 81 colors, it's almost an even keel on the left and right side. You'll also notice this gray dot. These are perforated lines that tell you this is where you can rip so that you can do 4x4 squares or even bigger. So let's take a look at the symbols. Look at those beautiful symbols. So stunning and clear. Absolutely gorgeous, right? And then, I'm so sorry, I had a magical unrolling, but you'll just have to play the music in the background to yourself as we unroll this stunning piece. And notice, the beautiful morning. Right, here's your steeple. I remember, right, you like do, here's the church, here's the steeple, open the door, and there's all the people. I know, I've lost it. But look, absolutely gorgeous. This is early morning, you know. I don't know what it's called. At night, it's called dusk. What do you call it in the morning? Help me out. Help me out. All right, look at these cars. And you've got it's almost like it's raining. And I love how they charted this. So when you put your drills down, because of the way the light bleeds into light, dark, these lights are on, right? They're on the car. And then we're going to open up a little bit further. And this is gorgeous. Look at the people. Here you've got 2 people. It's almost like they're going to school. I don't know if they have backpacks, but this is like the son, and this is the older sister or the parent. And then here's a guy on the bicycle. You can actually tell he's riding. And then look at the cobble on the side of this building, and then this beautiful arch, and it has stunning little flowers decorated throughout. And then you've got this gorgeous like blue purple here where the light's just starting to hit it from the sun coming up. I love all these windows. Absolutely gorgeous. The flowers here. The fact that you can own a Thomas Kinkade and then do it yourself. I mean, this is priceless. Just absolutely priceless. So I'm going to try and bring the camera out just a little bit for you guys so you can see it a little bit more. Here we go. All right. Sorry about that. You see my computer a little bit. Let's try to move that over. There we go. Okay, so look at that image. It's just stunning. It's stunning. You can tell the lights are on in this house. Oh, it's just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So yes, comment down below. Tell me which Thomas Kinkade in the DAC collection you would want to own. Tell me if you're grabbing this one. I am just blown away by how Diamond Art Club has made this a reality. So, okay, we're going to dive in and we're going to look at these beautiful drills. This tells you it's hometown morning. This is a square, if you remember, and it has 81 colors. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. I'll try to cut down the crinkle, but oh my gosh. Like beautiful. Okay, here we go. Look at this is what 81 colors looks like. And out of the 81 colors, how many did I say? I think I said 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 specials. All right. So right away, we can see here. And what I love about these trains is it actually, instead of DMC order, it goes order of weight. So you're going to get your largest at the beginning, and then it goes internally into your smallest weight. So here are these gorgeous colors. They did not hold back. A lot of these are 2 or 3 packets at a time. This is a pretty large painting. I mean, think about, you're going to be spending hours and hours on this. And like if you go to a movie, it's one and done and you're done for 2 to 3 hours. This, you're looking at 80 to 150 hours of fun, depending on how slow or fast you work. And even maybe even more than that, hour-wise. Absolutely gorgeous colors. We're just kind of going through them so you can get an idea. This is, Thomas Kinkade has amazing colors in it, but this one is a little bit more subtle, but does not disappoint. Oops, that was the 414. Then we dive into, you can't have 414 without 413, right? It's almost like they're married. And what's funny here is, look, you got 414, 413, and then you come back around and you get 414 again. I've never seen that before. Fun. Okay, we're going. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, here's our first special. This is the fairy dust. You can see right away, there's mica powder there. You can also tell I have you up here that there's no trash, right? They keep everything sharp and ready to be punched through, ready to make sure that you are going to have so much fun diamond painting. All right, we're coming across our next. Here's our fairy dust right there. Ooh, I love 924. Here, there's another fairy dust right there. And keep going. Keep going. There's another fairy dust. And keep going. Nothing outlasts the Energizer Bunny. The drills keep going. All right, here's our last train. Here we go. Come on, ride the train. It's a coming. Okay, there's our AB. See how it's different? It's got like a sequence coating on it compared to this fairy dust. Here's our last fairy dust. And the rest of the beautiful colors right there. Okay, so where are these specials located? Let's look. Okay, so we've got most of the specials are, all right, so they're the lights like on the car, lights in the windows. You've got some down here, like where you see this right here, and you see this right here. It's creating those areas where the rain has given it a little bit of sparkle. And then some of the blues. So let's see here. Yes, so here in this person's coat, let's see here. I imagine, yep, right here. So just little pops of color right here in the roof for the blues. And then for some of the tans, you're looking at, okay, right here to make the lights, over here to make some of these lights. So much of it has to do with the lighting feature and some of the blues and some of the flowers. So absolutely stunning, just enough to give it twinkle twinkle, because Thomas Kinkade is a subtle beautiful paintings. So I am so excited to share this part of my history with you and to combine it with our future in diamond painting. So I thank you so much. Now back to the original programming, now that we've discussed the drills. So thank you so much for joining me. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out Diamond Art Club's deals and steals down here at the bottom. It tells you everything that you need to know once you get your piece, and you're just going to be blown away. So until next time, be blessed and take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.